Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find apps. Let's tap on it. Now we can tap on this three that's icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And right now your device will tell you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset Apps, and actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences. As you can see here, we've got the very first evidence that we just reset the preferences because we have to select a home app. So actually this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.